Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial by Dr. Nick's tutorial channel. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to install PUBG Mobile for PC. Simply here in the search bar type PUBG Mobile PC, choose this, and here is a URL called game loop, not fun. Click on it. It's an emulator that you download and install. And so yeah, here you just choose your area, English or Taiwan or default. Click on download, and then yeah, it's downloaded. Game loop. Then after that you click here on open game loop and open. Okay. Here guys, it's opened, and here you can just in the game center here you'll find PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. Just any game that you would like to download, click on it, and you know, here you're gonna see download. You're gonna press on download, and it's just that simple, just nothing after that. And then after it installs and download, you can click play. You can click here play and open it to show you. Waiting for the game. Okay, it takes a while. Quickly guys. Wow, my PC is not like even Android. So yeah, here it's loading. Come on, man. And yeah, man, opened. Now here's PUBG, as you can see, like this glitch in the beginning, and sorry for that. So yeah, that's it for today. We learned how to install PUBG on a mobile on the PC. And yeah guys, hope you liked the video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, type them down in the comments section below, and hit subscribe if you're new here. And yeah, hope you a good day.